Yeah, but look at that. It doesn't really... Look. Yeah. The head doesn't move, I say. Oh, yeah. Oh. Actually, release that and say, there you go, guys. Thanks very much for your 100,000 or wherever it was you gave us. Here you go. Here's a picture of Dave's ugly head.
I'm at the motion capture stage for Nuun. A lot of people doing their busy work. Not me. Well, shot lists and stuff. Nice. You paid for that. Nice. Give me some performance. Is that Nuun?
Some performance? You want something big?
That's it.
Yeah.
You want it, because if we get it up a little bit more, I can still look past and
Oh, this is actually, we are recording, okay.
Yeah. And yours is much nicer.
Well.
No, he didn't say your face, he said the apparatus.
Oh, I look tired. Yeah.
Be none of this.
Not yeah.
No, he'd be just like...
But it looks so much cooler if you grab it with all your hands.
Yeah.
With all your four hands.
And this moves on its own, it's like wherever he looks, that will go. Mm-hmm. So when he looks at the sun, he can just shoot the sun behind him.
Well, within reason.
Shut up.
Is it working?
But the,
What happened?
You have to put... No. You have to press... Well... You're kind of... I mean, I'm kind of worried with you having this thing now.
I'm not worried for me, I'm worried for Nuun.
Simple solution.
Thank you.
Here we go. But it feels so much better.
I might secretly put the thing back in tomorrow.
I'm just gonna hold on to this.
Not the fucking gun.
Everyone set? Okay, so. And action. Boris, where are you?
List dog gun. List dog.
That's good.
That's some fucking tackle, man. List dog gun.
Oh, the cable doesn't matter, right?
They visibly know.
No. Okay, so nice. Okay, because like the transmitter, you can put it in your pocket, right?
Brilliant.
Yo, Scott, what are we doing today?
What are we doing today? I'm just, here to skateboard, man. Facial capture and audio. It's all in that box right there. Yeah.
Ah, nice box.
That's what the angry Venezuelan is for.
Show us your gun. Or don't.
It's like some James Bond stuff there. Like assembling it and just gonna take one of us out. Look at that thing. It's awesome.
Never look into the barrel, man.
you count to 10, Dave, please?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Thank you.
That was brilliant. All right, and action.
Override power restriction. Full force.
I think that's good enough.
It really sounds like you're having sex.
Pick us up! I've got him! I've got him! Track our position! Get us out of here, Lister! Lister, over here! Pick us up! I've got him! I've got him, Lister! Track my position! Track my position! I'm here! Pick us up! Track my position!
You know, some of that we need to do anyway. Okay. And I really think that if you do more of like the physicality, you'll change.
Unfreeze me! Nuun, I'm here. It's all right, I got you.
It's a great sound on my
Exfoliation.
thing. I wish you could hear what I'm hearing.
Tastes like tape.
Bits of lip and everything.
Got a lot of that runny nose going on.
David, do it again.
Do the running again, that was good. Okay, maybe not too much because we have the camera all day.
New day, fresh start. Ugh, how are you feeling?
Now that I've had my tea, I'm refreshed.
I should hope you feel warm now.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Yeah, I can only see your breath a little
Oh yeah. Great. My shoulders. Dave, what time is it?
It's time to go home.
Oh yeah, no, I got these gloves.
Well,
Time to go to work, man.
nice.
It's time to go to work.
And what's the temperature like?
I think you better ask the boy from America.
From Los Angeles, you
I
say?
think the boy from
Oh
Los
yeah.
Angeles might have something to say about the weather. Reminds me when I was 2 clicks
Like-
outside Saigon. Things were getting rough over there. Weather just came down from the west front. It was goddamn cold. You say it was hot? It was goddamn cold.
You gotta spit.
I was there with some Western boys. We were gonna get us some Viet Cong.
I've seen some things that you.
I seen some things that you never gonna dream, Bubba. But I'm telling you something now. I ain't got my man from LA with me. We wouldn't have made it out alive.
And relax. Alright. Horus and Nuun.
Dude, this is so cool. Look at that arm. Oh my god. Oris. It hurts.
Shield him, run, go out and make him up because he'll be on the ramp from the grenade.
Unfreeze me!
You want to see me like this?
Oh man, this is really going on. This is something.
Action.
Look at that. Ah, there you go. So, where's the punch? Where's the punch? I didn't see any punch. Forgot the punch?
I didn't see a punch either. So.
Where's the kiss? Didn't see the kiss. Wow, love the performance from Scott here. It's crazy.
Oh boy, that is more tiring than I thought. How long do you want me to do that for? That's great. One more? Alright. Go in the middle, you guys.
Do it again, do it again. Let's check if you are.
Can I use a flash? What do you think?
Oh, he's going for the pizza, guys.
No. Hey. It's not for you. Should I? No, he's learning that.
Yeah.
Hey, back from the camera.